Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and the managed browser version. Check DNS server IPs and any enterprise certificates you will need, because misaligned certs break secure name resolution. Once done, open the management console and navigate to the browser policy or network settings area. Make sure to keep a backup of current profiles before changing values. Then create or select a configuration profile so you can apply DNS settings to a test group immediately. Next, you choose the DNS mode: automatic, custom, or DNS over HTTPS, depending on policy goals. Enter primary and secondary DNS IP addresses and enable DoH or DNS over TLS if the browser and network support it. This secures queries. Configure downtime fallback and add enterprise certs when using intercepting proxies. Once configured, assign the profile to a test device group so you can validate behavior without impacting all users. Save the policy and push the Finally, validate by running ensthy or dig from a managed device, and use the browser network tools to confirm DNS queries go to the configured servers. Once validation passes, roll out the profile in waves and monitor DNS latency, lookup errors, and user feedback. If things go wrong, check certificate trust, profile assignment, and any firewall or proxy rules blocking DNS or DoH. Often an incorrect cert or blocked port causes failures. Make sure to revert to the backup profile if you need an immediate rollback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.